Hi guys, my name English? Hi guys, my name is Kalila or Callie. Welcome to another video. What is this video? I don't know. Maybe? Ooh, okay. I'm making this video because I'm currently editing the rest of my projects for the rest of my videos for the halibut sweater project. I finished it yesterday. Turn this fan on. I finished it yesterday, last night, and here is the finished object. I need to block it, but Kahila's currently blocking and she's using the blocking mats, so I'm going to wait for hers to like dry by tomorrow or so before I put mine into the water. Okay? So I have 4 more videos to edit and schedule, which will take this project or like the videos into 19, 20, 20 up until the 22nd, next Tuesday, because today is Tuesday, the 15th. Dude, you know what I'm so happy about? I was finally able to wear an outfit 2 days in a row. I have not been able to do that because I've been filming every single day, and I feel like every single day needs to look like a different day, so I have to wear a different outfit. Bro, this one strand, okay. So I feel like I had to wear a different outfit every single day. Listen, some of my outfits, you know, I wear a sweatshirt 3 days in a row, okay? Like, so I was like, oh, finally, I don't have to search for clothes. Anyway, so my current scheduling of these videos will take me until the 22nd, and then I have my halibut sweater like montage where it's going to be basically a time lapse of me knitting it from start to finish in one video for people who just want to see one video of it. Let me show you. Yarn. I'm grabbing yarn. The yarn for the next project that I'll be doing. You'll see this again. This is going to be a random vlog. I'm probably just going to wind up some yarn and yeah, wind up some yarn, turn it into like me blocking this sweater. Yeah, so maybe I won't talk about winding up this yarn. I'll probably just end up starting the vlog. Okay, maybe I'll just start the vlog. Today, I said I was going to take like a 2-day break, but I already missed knitting. I woke up and I was like, what am I supposed to do with my life? Okay, so I have these skeins. Okay, 4 of them were mine, and 4 of them were Kahila's. And it is Sorella's Coven yarn. It's her Halloween yarn that I got, I think last year? I don't know. But it's this nice, it's not black, but it's not black. It's like a blurple type. My hair is all over this. And my camera's dying. And I'm going to use, this is going to be the Ava cardigan. I'm going to use my Lick Needles with it, which I'm very excited for. So let me change my batteries. I'm going to continue editing, and then, yeah. This will probably be a blocking video. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm about to block it. Guys, guess what? Kahila's sweater, I told you the next day it was going to be dry. So now it's time for me to block my sweater to the salon. Oops, did I magnet? Hold on. Wait, how do I? Oh no. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, Kahila let hers soak for like 2 hours, so I'm gonna do the same thing. And here are my essentials. Hold on. Kahila just used this the other day, so this is draining. I mean, not draining, but drying out. So I have my bucket from Amazon. It originally looks like this when I store it, and then I'll just punch it open like this. And then I use eucalyptus wool wash. It's no rinse, so you don't have to rinse the soap out of it because it's a no rinse wool wash. So I'm just going to fill this up, put this in there, and then put this in there after. Kahila likes to do this thing to stretch out her garments. Do not recommend, but we love very oversized garments, so she will put it in here, right? And pretend water's in here. She'll put that in there, and then she'll go like this. Hold it up a little bit while it's still wet so that it can drag down, and people will be like, oh my gosh. But listen, We like oversized things, so that's the best part about blocking. Anyway, let's get to washing. Alrighty, it's in there, so I'm gonna leave it for 2 hours and then come back to it. Hey guys, it's been 2 hours, okay? This thing is red. Hey, it's calling my name. I'm so excited. The towel just dropped from here, but I have 2 towels. I use 2 towels to scrunch out as much water as I can. Okay, she squishes her stuff out in socks, so. Ah! And there's video evidence. She just did it for a video, but there's still video evidence of her doing it. So yeah, so I use this and I fold it out against the counter, and I squish it down. Like it's taking out her braids here, and I'm like, bro, you in my domain right now. Anyway, so I put it here. I'm gonna go get my sweater and then I'll come back. Okay, here is the sweater. So now I set it out on this towel and then I just start moving it. You guys should be more careful if you don't want your stuff to stretch out. I personally do not care. Okay, so I just make sure it's stretched out nicely across, and I toss this side over, all the way down, and then I just start rolling it up. Rolling it up. Rolling. Ooh. You can really see all the water that I left in here. It's getting really, really dark. Because sometimes I don't feel like spending time squeezing all the water out in the initial, when I take it out of the tub. I'm just like, ugh. So this thing is soaking wet. So then that's when I take the second towel. This is bleached like crazy, but it's perfect for this. So I take this, put it in the same spot. You can see me right there. And then roll this out onto here. And then repeat the process. I repeat it so I can get as much water as I can out of this garment. And that's how my stuff dries within 28 to 36 hours, I'd say. It doesn't ever take more than a day for even my chunkiest projects to dry, which is great. So then I just repeat the process over. This has more water than typically my projects typically would, because I just did not wring it out. Well, you're not supposed to wring it out. I didn't squeeze out a lot of the water, but that's why I use 2 towels. Okay, now that this is squeezed out, I'm gonna go into the room. I put the blocking mats out and I'm going to lay this out and start pinning it. I'm so excited. I'm like, what is it looking like? Kahila's on, blocked out perfectly. You should go check hers out. She was handmade with Kay. Dude, her stuff. Beautiful. All right, let's get it. Okay, guys, Kahila's here. Yay. So it's time to get to blocking. I already put the mats out. We got the sweater here. I've got my pins there. Let's try and get this as perfect as possible, okay? Alright guys, this is what Kahila's on looks like blocked. Look at this beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna measure hers and then I'm gonna pin mine to the length and width that hers is because I love it. Well, actually, never mind. I just measured hers and I measured mine and it's the same exact measurement. And you can see, I haven't even pinned it yet, okay? I haven't even taken the pins out. I measured hers, I measured mine, I'm like, oh, I didn't measure the width though. I don't want to hold on before I get too cocky around here. Let's measure that out. That's crazy. I think my thing is a little wider, actually. But when it comes back up, it's probably gonna shrink a little. I'm not gonna pin down the body or anything. I'm just gonna pin the body ribbing, because the body ribbing always needs to be pinned out. I need it to be nice and like flowy, okay? So that's the only thing I'll pin out. Other than that, everything else can stay as is. All right, here it is in all its glory. Leaving the sleeves out, don't care. The body, I just need it to be straight on the sides, because the sides like to come in a lot with the ribbing, but I feel like pinning it out kind of stabilizes and keeps this entire part straight. And of course, I don't want the bottom to end up like shrinking as it dries. So pin that, and I also pinned my collar because I like where it is, and also my cats like to come here. I don't want them to shift anything with the collar. But also, y'all, people always love to tell my sister and I what will and won't happen to our projects, because our projects puckered a lot. Okay, look at this. Puckering where? Like, I know what I'm doing, okay? I may be new to charted color work, but I do my research, okay? Look at this. Even the increased sections, flat, flat. No puckering at all. Beautiful, beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. This should be dry by tomorrow, but I'll give until tomorrow night before I take it off the blocking mats, because I like to turn it over midday. So within 24 hours, 36 hours, you guys will see this. Hey guys, so guess what? I am going to go and flip my thing, because I touched it. It's, what time is it? 11 a.m. I touched it. It's dry, okay? This thing is already dry. But I'm gonna take out my strap, my hand strap for my camera keeps going in. But I'm gonna take these out. I didn't push it down all the way because sometimes it makes dents. So glad I didn't do that. No dents here. Because the back might still be a little damp, you know? So I'm just going to flip it over and let that dry. And then tomorrow, when I know it's like 100% fully dry, well, by tonight it will be. So tonight I'll take it off the blocking mats. And all this cat fur, my cat sits all on my stuff sometimes. So let me go ahead and turn it around, turn it around, turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. You get it? All right. Ooh, yeah, the back is still very damp. So I'm gonna let that dry. Now that it's turned over, it should definitely dry by tonight. Fully. The front is fully dry. Surprisingly, the body right here is a little drier, but the color work is like, ooh, you are very damp. But that's fine. I'm just going to put the pins back in here and let this finish drying, and I'll come back once it's done and I'll try it on tomorrow morning. I'm probably gonna take pictures and everything, finish off my video that's supposed to go up on the 22nd, finish editing that and scheduling it. Ooh, that's so exciting. I'm very happy that this is finishing up. I've started my next project already, the Ava cardigan. It's looking so cool. So that's it for now. Guys, look at the sweater. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It looks amazing. It came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. The sleeves turned out beautifully. The bat wing is not really bat winging for me, especially since there's space here, so I can just move my arm. I can move my arms freely. And the drape. This is the sweater. Thank you guys so much for watching my journey. I am going to be putting out an entire montage, okay, full of everything that I did this entire time, the past 11 days. So I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.